Welcome to my in-depth review of the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer with powder shaker combo, the ultimate game changer for apparel and t-shirt printing businesses. If you're looking to take your printing to the next level, you're in the right place. This incredible machine is packed with innovative features that will revolutionize the way you print, and I'm excited to dive into all the details. First, let's talk about the ultra-fast DTF printing and auto-curing capabilities of the Lancelot M1630 Pro. This printer is equipped with an automatic powder shaking and heating device, which enables super-fast printing of A3 size in just 4 minutes. That's twice as fast as its competitors, making it a huge time saver for businesses that need to produce high volumes of printed garments. The shaking and drying device ensures instant curing, which can quadruple your daily output. Imagine being able to print and cure a t-shirt in just a few minutes. It's a total game changer. The automatic film cutting function is also a huge plus, as it reduces manual operation and saves you even more time. But what really sets the Lancelot M1630 Pro apart is its professional quality printing capabilities. The machine features a smart anti-clog system, which includes a white ink circulation system and holiday mode. This means that the printer can automatically maintain itself, even when not in use, preventing clogging and extending the service life of the printhead. The 3-in-1 curing system ensures uniform powder distribution and anti-crack printing on a wide range of materials, including cotton, polyester, denim, and leather. Whether you're printing on t-shirts, hoodies, or shoes, this machine has got you covered. One of the things I love about the Lancelot M1630 Pro is its smart automation features. The machine comes with automatic film cutting, low ink and waste ink alarms, and is equipped with PC pre-installed software and USB connection. This makes it easy to print directly on garments, even for beginners. The low ink and waste ink alarms are particularly useful, as they help you save costs and reduce waste. And with the PC pre-installed software, you can easily design and print your own custom designs. The Lancelot M1630 Pro is also incredibly versatile and compatible with a wide range of fabrics. It can handle both sheet and roll paper, making it perfect for printing t-shirts, hoodies, bags, and shoes. Whether you're working with cotton, leather, or mesh, this machine can handle it. This makes it ideal for DIY enthusiasts, small businesses, and studios looking to produce high-quality printed garments. But what really gives me confidence in the Lancelot M1630 Pro is its lifetime support and reliable performance. The machine comes with 247 remote assistants, so you can get expert help at any time. This ensures long-term reliability for your t-shirt printing business, giving you peace of mind and allowing you to focus on what matters most: producing high-quality printed garments. So, how does the Lancelot M1630 Pro compare to other DTF printers on the market? In my opinion, it's a clear winner. Its ultra-fast printing and auto-curing capabilities, combined with its professional quality printing and smart automation features, make it a powerhouse in the world of apparel printing. And with its lifetime support and reliable performance, you can trust that it will keep on performing day in and day out. In conclusion, the Lancelot M1630 Pro DTF printer with powder shaker combo is an absolute must-have for anyone looking to take their apparel printing business to the next level. With its innovative features, professional quality printing, and smart automation, it's the perfect machine for beginners and pros alike. So what are you waiting for? Get your hands on the Lancelot M1630 Pro today and start producing high-quality printed garments like never before. Trust me, you won't regret it.